So guys, your device run into problems, cannot be repaired. So click the enter. After that, you can come on this and click on advanced. Then again advanced options. Then command from. Then enter the command chkdsk space slash c column space slash f and slash r. Then hit enter. After that, it will start scanning and deep investigate with your system. This is might be take some time and depend about your system configurations. Then guys, it is completed. After that, restart your system. Just close it. You can see zero bed sector and all the selected this, and then close it and just click to continue. After that, your system will start. Then guys, click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator. Right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay. Then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay. First command is sfc slash scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay. And then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay. So all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay. And that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay. So almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth command also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care. And you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.